Okay.
Yeah,
So first, let's have a quick idea about the PT speaking part because আমি
yeah.
তোমাকে full format নিয়ে বলবো না because that will be too confusing. So what I will do, we will talk
Mm-hmm.
about the speaking part, and this is the
Mm-hmm.
orientation class where, of course, we will do one or two activities,
Right,
but main জিনিস হচ্ছে যে first you get the guideline, তারপর কিছু কাজ আছে that you have to work on. Okay.
right.
So
Okay.
আমরা ওইটা করবো। আচ্ছা, আমি আগে ফাইলটা একটু বের করি, give me a minute please.
Yeah. I can see it now. Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any idea about the PT format or speaking in particular?
Uh, I have a basic idea. So there are four parts, of course, just like IELTS. I've done IELTS before.
First one is read aloud.
Read aloud. Yeah.
See on the screen, read aloud.
Yeah.
You
Read
have to
aloud.
read
Yeah.
some passages.
Yeah.
Okay. Second one, repeat sentence. Basic idea, এবং I hope you know that PTE has an integrated scoring system. মানে হচ্ছে স্পিকিং এর কিছু টাস্কে যাবে রিডিং এবং লিসেনিং এ। For
Yeah.
example, read aloud, you have to read a passage, so it gives you partial score for reading. Suppose somebody gets 90 in content, 90, মানে 90
Mhm.
out of 90.
Right.
Pronunciation, মোটামুটি 60. Not bad.
60. Okay.
But fluency তে he got 20.
20.
তখন
So
কিন্তু
that.
এটা অ্যাভারেজ
Mhm.
হবে না।
Mhm.
এটা অলমোস্ট ম্যাক্সিমাম স্কোর 30 to 40 আসবে।